In this video, you will see the top-selling Chinese spy gadgets. You can buy this directly over internet and imagine yourself as a private detective or use it for your own safety. So writing pens, car keys, room clocks and glasses and much more. They all have built-in video camera and microphones. We want to warn you right away. Follow the laws of your country. In some countries, such equipment is prohibited for pushers and use. By the way, if you want to assemble a spy gadget by yourself, watch the video at the link in the tooltip. We created a DIY wall clock with hidden camera. And now let's move on to the first gadget. Glasses with built-in video camera. A real thing for a spy. The camera is located between the glasses and it's almost invisible for other people. The electronic fittings, the processor and the battery are hidden in temples of glasses. Yes, they look a little thicker than usual, but for the ignorant this feature will not arouse suspicion. The temples are detachable and can be charged. This gadget comes with a special charger. The manufacturer promises full HD resolution and continuous recording for 70 minutes, which seems impressive. Imagine where and how you can use this spy gadget. You are limited only by your own imagination. Second one, writing pen with built-in camera. A great thing for those who want to keep the video from the meeting or listen to the speaker's speech again. But all this is, of course, the official version of such pen is needed. Of course, this gadget is for covered video recordings, photographing documents and covered recording of voice. Well, it includes a typical Chinese set: pen, charging cable, useless instructions and replacement ink cartridges. Yes, it still writes. Video and audio is stored in microSD card up to 64 GB. But you shouldn't entertain yourself with the thought that you can fill all the 64 GB with a single charge. The battery capacity will last approximately 30 minutes. If you want to buy such gadget, I advise you not to buy an SD card in the kit. It's better to buy it in a trusted place. Well, good luck to office spies. Third, LED lamp with built-in camera. This thing is not that very auspicious. This gadget will help more in securing the premises. The originality stands on the fact that this is a real lamp for lighting rooms, and it does an excellent job with this function. But beside this, it has a miniature camera with Wi-Fi transmitter. That is, at the moment when the camera noticed movement in the room. At the same time, it will notify the owner of the phone about such an alarm. So this thing is cool. If you equip several rooms of your apartment with such cameras, you will keep everything under control. 4. Spy USB stick. This is miniature photo-video camera hidden in convenient form factor of an ordinary flash drive. To activate the recordings, you must press the button on the side. Then you will see a small LED blinking. This means that the recording has begun. Pressing again will turn recording off. What is such a thing for? Of course, it will be useful if you want to bring the video camera into rooms where it is prohibited. Security, when inspecting personal things, most likely will not attach importance to a conventional flash drive, and after you have done your spy work, you can view the resulting video recordings by simply connecting the USB flash drive to the PC. Of course, it won't take long to record. The miniature size of device also means a small battery, but for real spy even 10 or 15 minutes is much enough. 5. The next spy gadget or not is up to you. In fact, you can put it in the home or in office and control the situation in the room with people there. Yes, this can be done both for security purposes and for the purposes of intelligent and covert video monitoring. It looks like an ordinary electronic desk clock, but as you already understood, they have a hidden video camera and a microphone, as well as SD card and Wi-Fi. By installing the appropriate software on your mobile phone, you can record video or watch it online. This thing is cool. And the most interesting thing is that by plugging such a clock in a socket, you will not attract attention, but you will ensure the smooth operation of the video surveillance. By the way, this clock has also a built-in battery, but it does not last long. In short, if your wife is cheating on you, now you can see it with your own eyes. But I'm not sure if you need to see it. Next one. 6. This thing does not even look like a spy thing at first sight, but quality of its execution and functionality is surprising. So the first thing first, there's a smart glasses, ultra-light alloy rim, zinc alloy frame, device control button, phone connection status lead, directional stereo speakers, microphone for talking on a mobile phone with hands-free. In general, the device is made very stylishly and can rightly be called smart glasses. Are they a spy gadget? I'm not sure, but it can add some style for your spy look. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see new reviews on spy equipment, write about it in comments. Have a good day!